I went through forums, repair shops, and tons of real-life experiences to bring you, straight up, the most common issues with the Dodge Dakota from 2005 to 2011. This isn't theory. This is what owners are actually dealing with. One of the most frequently reported problems by Dakota owners during these years involves the automatic transmission, especially on high-mileage models. Many drivers say they experience rough shifting, or that the transmission gets stuck in one gear. On forums like Edmunds and Copilot Search, several users mention that this often happens when shifting from first to second gear, and it's even worse when the vehicle is warmed up. Technicians agree that the issue might come from wear in the valve body or problems with the shift solenoids. Dodge did issue some technical service bulletins related to software problems in the transmission control module, and in some cases, a simple TCM reprogramming fixed the issue. However, if there's already internal mechanical damage, the best move is to see a transmission specialist or consider replacing key components. Another commonly discussed issue in these models is the ignition system, specifically problems with the ignition switch or the key itself. In forums like Dakota Durango and Reddit, owners report turning the key and getting absolutely nothing, no cranking, as if the battery were dead, even when everything checks out. Some even said they had to wiggle the steering column or try multiple times before the truck started. This is often due to internal wear in the ignition cylinder or a faulty electrical contact in the switch behind the key. There's no official recall for this, but many mechanics recommend replacing both the ignition cylinder and the switch if this issue comes up. In some cases, checking the starter relays or the fuse box under the hood, which can get corroded or develop bad contacts in these model years, has also solved the issue. And we can't leave out a classic problem for many pickups from this era: front suspension issues, especially with bushings and ball joints. Several drivers, especially those using their Dakotas for heavy-duty work or on rough roads, report clunking noises over bumps, loose or vague steering, and uneven tire wear up front. On forums like Dodge Forum and Truck Talk, many owners say the upper ball joints wear out quickly, and the control arm bushings can deteriorate even before 100,000 kilometers. Dodge took some heat for the durability of these parts, though there wasn't a full recall. The most recommended fix from mechanics is to replace the worn parts with higher quality aftermarket components, often made with more durable materials. It's also smart to get a full alignment after any suspension work to make sure the problem doesn't return. These are just some of the most well-known issues with the 2005-2011 Dodge Dakota. While not every truck will have them, they're definitely common in real-world use. So if you're thinking of buying one or already own one, it's worth keeping an eye on these areas and doing preventive maintenance when possible.